Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. We are on the topic of NPOs, not for profit making organization. How the financial statement of not for profit making organizations are prepared, the process that is going on. In question number 20, class 12, accountancy and POs. See question number 20. Whatever the information given in previous video, you have learned how to prepare the income and expenditure account. Now in this video, just computation of opening capital fund, and then after the current year balance sheet will be explained. Now see here again, I would like to read the question number 20. Just you can see. In from the following receipt and payment account of a club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as at that date. To balance BD, receipt and payment account given, question number 20, and some additional information given regarding subscription. So dear children, one of the things I would like to tell you, just how to prepare the opening balance sheet for calculating the capital fund. Just you can see from here. This one is this will be the opening balance sheet. You can see this way. Just you can write here opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. Why this one is prepared? Because of just we have to calculate the capital fund. Here liability, amount, assets, amount. You can see whatever the information given opening balance sheet, just like receipt and payment account, cash balance, cash available at the opening of the year, cash that is given in receipt and payment account 6,000. And in additional information, investment also given, investment, cost of investment in receipt and payment account given, investment that is 50,000. Just the information given, and club had value 50,000 land the value of land given in additional information below the receipt and payment account. Land, the value of land also 50,000, and the value of furniture also given. Furniture, that is 15,000. Regarding the subscription, include 3,200 for the last year. Previous year subscription given, outstanding subscription, you can see outstanding subscription, that is 3,200. 3,200. Rent include 900 paid for the last year, and the outstanding expenses, that will be the liability. So outstanding rent in liability column, outstanding rent, that is 900, and the outstanding of the current year, let it go, this one is the current year. So just the balancing figure. Now total of this one, first assets column 0, 0, 2, 4, 1,24,200. The opening assets, you know very well, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So capital is equal to assets minus liability. Liability 900 given only. So the balancing figure is the capital fund. Capital fund, you can find 1,23,300. Now 1,24,200. This one is the opening balancing, and we have calculated the capital fund. In current balance sheet, we can see over here, current balance sheet. Current balance sheet for the current year. Balance sheet as at in question number 20 for the year ended 31st March. Balance sheet as at 90. See, this one is the column of liability. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So, going through the information given in the question, Just first we have to write the capital fund over here. Capital fund. In previous video, you have seen the surplus. You have calculated the surplus. Just the surplus will be added in the capital fund. 1 lakh. Here that is in opening balance sheet calculated this one. 1,23,000. 23,300 that is given. Then after add surplus in capital fund. Surplus in capital fund that is given 15,150. 15,150. Add this one. 1 lakh 0 5 4 8 1,38,450. That will be the surplus. That will be the capital fund by adding the surplus. And rest of the information that is given. Now go through the receipt and payment account. Nothing to bank interest on investment, sell up, life membership fee. Again, life members ship fee. Ship fees equal to that is given 8,100. 8,100. Then after outstanding rent. Outstanding rent, that is the expenses, that will be the liabilities for the organization. So that is given in information 1,000. Then after stationery dues for 250 rupees. Stationery. Outstanding stationery dues amount 250. Now come to the subscription that is given in advance, also not given. Yes, 600 received in advance. So advance subscription. Advance subscription for the next year that is given 600. 600. And in assets column, now come to the point of assets column. Investment 50,000. After that, land 50,000. Land 50,000. Furniture 15,000. furniture 15,000. Bicycle also have been purchased. Bicycle that is given 1,800 in payment column, that is given. Information given government bond. Government bond, the value of government bond that is given 12,500. 12,500. Then after outstanding subscription at the current year, outstanding subscription, outstanding subscription outstanding subscriptions, that is 4,500. 4,500. Now go through the additional information given and whether the total of the balance sheet matched. Suppose that all items given in financial statement, that is true and correct view shown. Again subscription at the assets column, bicycle, government bonds. Then after the cash available, cash in receipt column 19,600. 19,600. And whether the total matched. Suppose that all information correct and true. Bank interest, everything is okay. Outstanding rent, that is in liability column, expenses, furniture and other types of the information. This one is the information given, and this way you have to total this one. Just zero, 4 1,48,400. That is the total of liabilities column, and the assets column 0, 24, 4. $1,48,400. 1,48,400. The balance sheet is matched. Now dear children, this is the process. This way we can ascertain the true financial position of the NPOs. Now first, after preparing the income and expenditure account, the opening balance sheet is prepared. 1 lakh, calculating the capital fund. Then after the all assets given investment 50,000, then 15,000. Then after the all the items of assets column, that is given investment 50,000, land 50,000, furniture 15,000, bicycle 1,800, government bond 12,500, information given 12,500, and then outstanding subscription, cash available 19,600. Then dear, just subscription include the last year, rent include 900, subscription outstanding of the current year of 4,005, rent outstanding for the month of March 1,000 in liability column, and a payment for stationery 250, that is given, furniture 15,000, 50,000, and nothing information, everything is okay. So the financial statement of NPOs. Keep on watching. This one is the process, just preparing the financial statement of not for profit making organization. Thank you very much.